Don't say you can't, 'cause you can. Stop worrying. Try to forgive, 'cause we all are suffering. Yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win, no. You're trying hard to pursue a dream that's not your own. Don't care about what they expect you to be, 'cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright.